How's it going, everybody? Back again with the 86 Scottsdale C20 6.2. Right now I took out the fan shroud. Well, I disconnected the batteries, took out the fan shroud and the fan, and I loosened up the brake pump. Um, Tomorrow I'm gonna take out the top manifold, drain out the coolant. There should be about 5 gallons of coolant. And then we're gonna take off the water pump. Then we're gonna get. Sorry, it's been a long day. Before we take out the water pump, we're gonna take out the manifold because I had to get inside the engine due to some knocking, and I had to find out what that is. I have now 7 days to get it complete. After we take out the manifold, we're gonna strip everything off on the top, get the oil filler off, the oil filler neck. Sorry, bear with me, I'm tired. It's been a long day. And then we're gonna get to the water pump, take the water pump off after we drain out the coolant. I don't know if I said it, but there should be about 5 gallons of coolant. I drained the motor oil already. And basically, after I get out that knocking, I want to clean up the engine, clean everything out inside the engine, prep it up, seal it like a coating, make it all black, get it ready for a show truck and a parade coming up July 20th 2024. Oh, I'm so tired. And then after I do the engine, after I put it back together, well, take it apart, I want to machine it with a wire brush and a drill, wire grinder. I want to machine it and get everything off. I got some gaskets. And after I machine everything, I want to put it back together, make it look shiny. Probably spray paint it, maybe black or something. I also wanna take off the bed so I can redo the filler hoses to both tanks. It's a dual tank, so yeah. Got my battery sitting on my tire. Yeah, I want to take out the bed so I can do the whole chassis with some coating. I got my fan shroud and my fan right here. Also want to make everything look nice and shiny again. Not new, but just make it look nice. I want to clean everything on here, coat everything, the whole frame. And then after that, after I do the bed, take the bed off and coat the chassis. I want to do the inside of the cab, shampoo it. I don't mind the junk, it's just little things. I want to clear out the AC, the heater, fix everything in here. I did win first place last year in the 4x division. Excuse me, in the 4x division. I'm hoping to win again this year. Yeah, I want to make everything look clean in here, especially make it look nice for the judges. For me, I like original, so everything on here is all almost original except the lift, the tires. I think the radiator is still original. It's leaking here and there. But yeah, I want to get everything up and cleaned, get it looking nice. But I'm here in Dulce, New Mexico. It's about 10:13 right now. We'll go inside, wash up. Ain't that dirty as I expect it to be. Go wash up, go eat for a bit, play some games, relax on my babe. Call it a night. Oh, my channel is viewable to kids. So if you have any children that want to learn about vehicles, then subscribe to the channel. And being that it's for kids, YouTube kids, and please keep the comments clean, no profanity or anything like that, and just help educate the youth. I WD'd everything, so that's why it closes real smooth. Watch. Well, good night, guys. See y'all tomorrow. Be safe out there. Take care. Have fun.